Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, my Lolila. In this cooking episode, I will be showing you how I made this chili garlic sauce for my siomai. If you want to know my siomai recipe, I will be putting the link in the description box below. Keep on watching. For the ingredients, we will need garlic, and I'm going to use a food processor to crush my ingredients. This is a combination of sweet chili pepper and hot chili pepper. So I'm using about a cup of it. Aside from the chili and garlic, we will also need magic sarap, salt, sesame oil, and cooking oil. Let's start by heating the pan and pour the cooking oil. Add your garlic and stir occasionally to prevent it from burning. Once the garlic has turned to light brown, you may add your chili and continue to stir. Season with magic sarap and a dash of salt. Then add sesame oil. Then continue to stir. Soy sauce is an optional ingredient to this chili garlic sauce, but usually I add my soy sauce when this sauce is already cooked. So this is the siomai I made earlier. It's best paired with this chili garlic sauce. And here's our chili garlic sauce. Actually, this sauce is not only for siomai. You can also use this to pair with other foods like noodles, soup, fried food, and even with your plain rice. But it's really best for this pork siomai recipe. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Till next time, bye!